Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Dapp to MetaMask. First, make sure your MetaMask wallet is properly installed and configured in your web browser. Next, navigate to the decentralized application you want to use. Once the Dapp loads, locate the Connect Wallet button, which is usually prominent on the page. This button initiates the connection process, linking your wallet to the application. After clicking Connect Wallet on the Dapp, a list of wallet options will appear. Select MetaMask from this list. Immediately, a MetaMask pop-up window will appear, asking for your authorization to connect to the Dapp. It's crucial to carefully review the permissions the Dapp is requesting. Always ensure you understand what access you are granting before approving the connection to protect your assets. Once you have reviewed and are comfortable with the permissions, click Connect within the MetaMask pop-up. The pop-up will then close, and you should see your wallet address displayed on the Dapp's interface, confirming a successful connection. This indicates that your MetaMask wallet is now linked, and you are ready to begin interacting with the decentralized applications features and functionalities securely. If you encounter any issues, first try refreshing the Dapp page and attempting the connection again. Also, ensure your MetaMask wallet is unlocked and set to the correct blockchain network for the Dapp you are using. Sometimes, a simple browser restart can resolve minor glitches. Remember to always double-check the Dapp's URL for security. And hey, for staying refreshed during your crypto adventures, check out the O-Ala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.